Dear students, happy morning to you all. Today, in this math session, we are going to learn about how to divide numbers. In the previous session itself, we knew addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything. The final thing is division. You see the sum 248. This is a symbol of division. Okay, 240 divided by 8. Do you know, my dear students, we call this 240 as dividend because we are going to divide this number. So we call this number as dividend. This 8 as divisor because we have to split this 240 into 8 equal parts. So we call this 8 as divisor and this 240 as dividend. Okay, now I write this number. This dividend inside the line and this divisor outside the line. Okay, what is the divisor? 8. So I'll write the 8th table up to 10. First, I'll explain how to divide a number. In multiplication, addition, subtraction, everything, first we'll start with ones place. But here we choose the highest digit. Here 2 is the highest digit. How? Ones, tens, hundreds. It is in hundreds place. So we'll take 2. But this 2 is too small comparing to this 8. So I'll take this 4 from the tens place. Okay, my dear students. Now we got 24. Okay. Now we'll say the table. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. What? 3 8s are 24. So I'll write 3 on the top and 24 here. Now we want to subtract this number. 24 minus 24 is equal to what? 0. Again, I want to take the next number which was in ones place will come down. 0. So here, is this 0 has any value here? We can't divide 0 by 8. It is impossible for us to divide the 0 by 8. So, we write the 0 on the top near 3. Okay, my dear students. Now, this 3 changes 30. So, what is on the top is called quotient. What is on the top is called what? Quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. It is quotient. What is here is remainder. What is here is what? Remainder. Or E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Okay, my dear students. Now I am going to write the answer. What is the quotient? I'll write the quotient as Q and remainder as R. So quotient is 30 and remainder is 0. Do you understand, my dear students? Yes. Then I go to the next sum. You see here. Here, what number is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So I'll read this number as 53,675. And the divisor is 8. Here the dividend is 53,675. We have to split this 53,675 into 8 equal parts. Now I'll write the sum. Where will I write the dividend? Yes, here. 53,675. And the divisor here. Already I wrote the 8th table here now. So, from the highest digit, I'll take from the highest digit. Which is the highest digit here? 5. But the 5 is smaller than 8. So, what will we do the next step? We'll take these first two numbers. If we take the first two numbers, how may we read this? 53. 53. This 53 is bigger than the 8. So, now we'll go for 8th table. You see, 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48 and 7 8s are 56. But here we had only 53. So we can't use this 56. So we'll go before the table. 6 8s are 48. So here the divisor using the 6. 6 8s are what? 48. Now what will we do? We want to subtract this. If you know how to subtract numbers. This 3 is smaller than 8. So I can borrow a number 1 from him, from this 5. So this 3 changes 13 and this 5 will changes 4. So I'll subtract 13 and 8. I get the number what? 5. Very good, my dear students. Then I'll take the next number down. What is the next number? 6. Now we'll read this number as 56. Again go to the table. Already we saw now 7 8s are 56. The same 56 came here. So we'll use what number now? 7. 7 8s are 56. Okay. Now what will we do? We'll subtract. If we subtract 56 minus 56, we'll get 0. Then the next one, we'll take the next number down. What's the next number? 7. So I'll write the 7 here. Is it possible for us to divide 7 in the 8th table? No. So we want the another number also come down. But is it possible? Without changing anything, we'll take this number? No. If we want to keep the number down, we want to write the number down, we want to add 0 on the top. Now I'll add 0. So I take this number down and write 5. Now this number is 75. Now we go to the table. Already we saw 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. And what does 9 8s are? 72. The 10 8s are is 80. So it is impossible for us to use this 80. So we'll take 9 8s or 72. So I write the number 9 here and 72 here. Now I subtract this number. By subtracting 75 and 72, I get 3. Very good. Already I told what is the top is called? Quotient. What is the top is called? Quotient. And the balance is called remainder. Remainder. So, after completing this sum, you take and write Q is equal to 6709 and odd is equal to 3. Did you understand, my dear students? Thank you, my dear students.